Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, we're going to be making a simple paper airplane. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to need one sheet of plain paper. Here I have an 8.5 by 11 sheet of copy paper. Place your paper to be portrait style in front of you so that it is tall in front of you. You're going to fold your paper in half to begin. Put one hand on top and one hand underneath. You'll sandwich your hand, line up your corners. Once your corners lined up, hold your finger there and slip your other hand out. Using that other hand, you're going to push down on your fold. I'm also using my finger to go over the fold to make it nice and crisp. Next, you're going to open your paper airplane. Take your top corner and bring it down to the fold line. You'll create like a little triangle here. Do the same with the other side. Take this point and bring it down to the fold line. Again, I'm pushing down on the folds with my finger to help make the folds nice and crisp. Let's do that again. This time we're going to take this whole edge instead of just the point to the fold. What brought that edge to the fold, we're going to bring this edge to the fold and bring that point down to the fold, like so. We really want to make that nice point. Push that all the way down, making it nice and crisp. Now we're going to try to do the exact same fold on this side. See if I can do it. Ooh, that's really close. It does not, look at that. It's not perfect, but it's super close. That's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. And again, I'm going to push down, making it nice. Now you see that area is a little bigger, the area is a little smaller. It's not perfect. It looks really good, but it's still not perfect. That's okay. It doesn't need to be perfect. After this, we're going to fold our paper in half. Okay. You could also fold it this way. It's really up to you. Once you fold it in half, you're going to make your wings. Okay. It's up to you where you put your finger. If you want your wing over here, starting here, starting here, starting here, but put one finger down and then you'll fold this to make your wing. And it's up to you on how big the wing is, if it goes all the way to the point or if it comes up a little higher. This is when it's really your choice on what to do for the wing. And you want to make the wing on the other side to be the same if you can. So when you flip it over, you'll put your finger about where that point is. So I have one finger here, and then I'm pulling this up over here and matching it. That will help you make them even and symmetrical. So here I have my paper airplane, lots of fun. Be sure to be safe, so no throwing inside small or crowded spaces. Be sure to be responsible. Pick up your airplane after throwing it. And be sure to be respectful. Never throw towards another person or towards anything that you don't want to accidentally break or knock over or hurt. Like if you have a plant at home that you can't get this in because that would hurt the plant, or maybe you have something delicate up on a shelf and you wouldn't want to throw this towards that delicate item that could fall and break. Be sure to have your name on this, especially if you are at school. You need to be sure to have your name on your plane. If we find a plane being thrown inside, we find a plane on the floor, we'll open it up and look for that name. And we'll know who's responsible for that airplane. Okay, remember, you're responsible for it if you make it. Okay, till next time, class. Keep being creative.